We have the match ref.
Heads is the call.
That toss to lose. Don't see the split changing a lot over the course of this game.
Now a tighter line is required to deceive the batsman with this field.
Oh, gee, you can feel. Oh, my goodness, that looks painful. Let's hope he can bounce back from that.
Cleaned him up. A perfect way to get the breakthrough.
Of this batter.
That was sloppy. He has gifted away his wicket.
Very well placed. Can they get more here?
No, that was straight to the fielder.
He loves bowling from this end.
Yes. Let's see the.
Checking for a no ball. Fair delivery. No problem. Pitching in line. Impact outside.
Poles everywhere. He's undone the batter with a beauty.
Oh, what a shot! Crowds.
Shot! Oh wow! That's brilliant! Now that was a good shot. That was a brilliant shot.
That'll be the end of the first innings. Let's see what happens.